I'm Bill, and today we're at a customer's home with a top-loading Samsung washing machine. Now this is a higher-end top loader, so retail on this to replace it's going to be near $1,000, and then you have sales tax, delivery, the time you spend shopping. But let me show you. The complaint here was it's very noisy, runs very noisy and wash and agitate. So let me just show you this machine. So if you can see the all the cycles that we have here, it's really at the top end here. This one also has a hand washables feature, so you can open the lid and it has this basket here where you I don't know if you can see that well, but you can put like delicate items in here, and it has a wash and a rinse that comes through here. So that's something you don't see every day. That's but it is very handy, and a lot of people like that. But typically, if you open the lid, this has a very big drum. I think it's a 5 cubic foot capacity, so it's a very large load can handle. So stainless steel, and you might recognize that this does not have your traditional agitator. It uses different methods for cleaning your clothes, so something a little bit different. Also, I wanted to compliment this customer on see we have stainless steel fill hoses, and they look pretty good, you know, so that's not a concern. So anyway, with that being said, I'll show you what we found today. So I can't really run it right for you now because the you know, because we have it taken apart. So, but the noise, this unit has basically the motor and transmission are. There is no transmission traditionally. It has an electric motor. It's really an advanced motor that changes directions, changes speeds. So there's no need for a transmission. What happens here is this assembly, this is the outer shell of that motor assembly, and this was a little loose. Why it was loose, we're not sure. It might have been loose because just from years of wear, or there might be, the bearing might be bad, there might be other problems that are wrong that we'll check out. But in any event, this outer shell, this is actually part of the motor, and this black dust you see here is from it hitting the inner part of the motor. So yeah, it shouldn't be that dirty. So what we're going to do is, let me show you the other side of this too. If you want to come back, and you can see the I don't think if the light's any good here, but if you can take a look here at the other side. Now, yeah, this is the other half of the motor, and same, you get all that black dust from the wear inside as well. Worst case scenario, we can replace this either parts or this whole unit. This is a secondary part, or you can replace this whole wash assembly. Needless to say, we don't want to put in extra parts if we don't have to. So we are going to assemble this back, see what it sounds like when it's all put together tight. Might be fine. If it's not, we'll assess which parts are needed and give the customer the option. Like I said, if this needs the entire assembly out of warranty, that's going to be probably about half the price in that neighborhood of a new unit. So, well, customer would have to decide if that's which direction they want to go in. Samsung also gives, I believe, a 10-year warranty on this part. Doesn't include labor, but if it needs a whole unit and it's still under warranty, we'll explore that route with the customer as well. Anyway, we'll keep you posted online how this job turns out. But it's thanks for tuning in again this week. Go to appliance-master.com for our phone number or any other information there, and hopefully we'll see you again next week. Thank you.